Welcome to Ammu's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy creamy chocolate cake. So let's get started. To make this cake we need 2 cups of sunflower oil, 6 eggs, baking powder 1 tablespoon, curd 4 tablespoons, vanilla essence, 2 cups of refined flour or maida, lukewarm water 2 tablespoons, baking soda 2 tablespoons, refined sugar 1½ cup, cocoa powder ½ cup. For decoration I am using whipped cream powder. Gems is completely optional. Dark compound chocolate 100 grams, milk 2 tablespoons, assorted sprinkles. Take a bowl, place the strainer, add refined flour or maida, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Strain them well. Now take a blender, crack 6 eggs and blend it nicely. Now add 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence, refined sugar, now add curd, add sunflower oil and blend once again. Now take a mixing bowl, add the blended mixture into it. Now take the flour which we have prepared and add them few tablespoons at a time and mix it slowly without making any lumps. Now add the lukewarm water and mix well. So our batter is ready. The consistency of the batter should be like ribbon. Now take the cake container, grease it with unsalted butter or oil. Grease it well so that the cake doesn't stick to the container. Now sprinkle some flour on the cake tin and tap off the excess flour. Now add the cake batter into it Now tap the tin so that air releases from the batter. Now preheat a large aluminium vessel for 25 minutes and place a metal ring on it to support the batter. After preheating for 25 minutes, place the container slowly and cook it for 30 minutes in medium flame. To make chocolate sauce using double boiling method, place a steel vessel filled with water and place a glass bowl on top of it. Add chocolates and milk to it and melt it in the medium heat. So our chocolate ganache or chocolate sauce is ready. Take the whipping cream powder, add water according to the powder and blend it in high speed. To prepare sugar syrup, add sugar and water. And boil it. Now our cake is ready. Rest it for 4 to 5 minutes and remove it from the container. I am using a thread to cut this cake into layers. Rotate the thread and just pull it from one side so that the cake cuts evenly. Take a layer of cake and add sugar syrup evenly. After applying sugar syrup, add a layer of cream on it and place another layer of cake. Repeat the same process with next 2 layers. At the last layer, cover the cake completely with cream and smoothen the edges. After smoothening the edges, drip the chocolate syrup or sauce which we have prepared earlier. Drip it using a piping bag or bottle. After completion of dripping, add the chocolate syrup from the top and spread it evenly. Now add the sprinklers on the top. Our cake is ready, but I prefer to refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours so that the cake's texture will remain smooth, soft and moist. After 4 to 5 hours, you are ready to eat. Enjoy!